Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable picture profile on SONY ZV-E10 II. First of all, let's switch on the camera and let's open the main menu. After that, we are gonna have to press the left arrow key to go to the sidebar, and on the sidebar we will have to select exposure/color tab. Go right here, then scroll down to color/tone, and here you'll be able to find picture profile. Now, to enable picture profile, you're gonna need to disable lock or LOG. To do that, we're gonna have to go to shooting mode on the sidebar, and then here in the shooting mode, we're gonna have to select image quality/recording. Then scroll down to LOG or log shooting settings and disable log shooting. Okay, so now let's go back to exposure color, scroll down to color tone, and now we can enable picture profiles and use one of the available picture profiles. So we have PP2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. And the following ones are from the custom LUTs, which can be imported. Let me just go back. Can be imported in Manage User LUTs. Right here we have import/edit, and to import you're gonna need to upload the custom cube file on your camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.